Hey dancers, it's Sally here, Strength for Dance, and we're going to be doing another drill for our Function Friday. Today we're going to be using slide discs. So these are slide discs. They're incredibly cheap. I managed to get 4 of these for $8 here in Australia in a shop called Kmart. However, you could also use something like this. This is just a super cheap frisbee, and that's what I'm going to use today in this demo. So once again, working out with nice cheap equipment that's very portable. We're going to be looking at training the abdominals today. So we're going to be looking at a version of a mountain climber, a tuck, and a pike. All working nice and functionally, and we're going to be working with rhythm and timing, training the core with movement. So, starting off with a mountain climber, we're going to just put the slider disc under 1 foot. Obviously, if you have 2, you can use it like that as well.
So we're going to start in a nice long plank position. Big wide hands, fingertip press, D-tummy recruited, outer abdominals are on, and I've got the slider disc, my frisbee, under my foot here. Maintaining my plank position, I'm just going to start by drawing the leg in and out. So I'm working here into deep hip flexion without my spine changing position as I go. Then, to make it a little bit harder, I'm going to bring the other leg in. So I have a slide, hover, slide, hover, slide, hover, slide, hover. More of a running motion.
You can do this with both of your feet on the discs and slide them in and out together if you're working on 2 discs. I'm then going to work with a tuck where I bring both knees in. I'm just going to pop both my feet on my disc, bring the knees in and out. Now this version here, my spine is staying straight and I'm using my hip flexors to pull in. Alternatively, I could lift the hips and have a little bit more abdominal work. Tuck, push back. And you can really kick those legs back to get some length. Finally, we're going to come into a pike. This is really good for handstand prep work as well.
So again, in your plank position, draw in with the abdomen, coming up here, push away again. Or drawing up, bend and push away, whichever version.
Trick here, really press in with the fingertips, and you want to bring your weight all the way up and over these knuckles here, so that you're not just weight bearing through the heel of your hand. I hope you enjoy these 3 exercises with the slide disc. There'll be lots more to come. Have fun!